Well, I see you're back for another PowerShell tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about Active Directory and installing the Active Directory module. Something quick and easy. So without further ado, let's install Active Directory. So here we are on our Windows 10 machine. If you have Windows 11, obviously you'll search for that within the browser. But you'll basically go up to your browser and you'll search for Windows 10 or Windows 11 RSAT tools or RSAT download. RSAT is for Remote Server Administration Tools. It is a Windows update that provides the package. So once you Google that, you'll find it right here on the first link. Go ahead and go to that page and there will be prompt for a download. You're going to click download, you click your architecture. Most likely you're going to be doing 64-bit and you're going to hit download. I've already downloaded the package. Before I install it, I'm going to go ahead and show you. If I run PowerShell, and you've been following along in the rest of these videos, you'll see if I do get module, list available, we'll see that the Active Directory module is not installed yet. So here you would typically see it right here in this list underneath your system 32 modules. So we'll go ahead and close this window. Go our downloads, double click the package. Ready to go ahead and install the patch. Do you want to install the following software update? Yes. I accept. We'll let it install. Now in my environment, I do have an Active Directory domain set up, and there's some users and OUs and group policies, which we'll be getting into later on how to do reporting and all that fun stuff. So we'll let this bake for a second. While we're waiting for this, go ahead and hit that like, hit that subscribe, help me get my numbers up, and help me create more content by dropping some stuff in the comments of what you would like to see in the next video. We did get some comments about doing some things around Git and Git commands around branching and repos. So that's in the works. I'm getting that set up also. So stay tuned for that. All right, we have our installation complete. We'll go ahead and close our window. Now let's go ahead and open up PowerShell again. We'll go ahead and do get module, list available. And we should see the Active Directory module. Go ahead and scroll up. Here's our module. It's installed. We can say get command dash module Active Directory. We'll list all those commands out, so now we know what's in that module. And then we can also do get AD user. I don't suggest this, but my environment is small, so we'll say filter star. And here are all of our users. So thanks for watching. Now you have Active Directory installed. So let's move on to the next video.